Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to upload music to Spotify. Firstly, you must use the Spotify desktop app. Audio files must be in MP3 format. These local files will only play on the device you imported them to, unless synced with mobile. Firstly, launch the Spotify app on your PC. Sign into your account, then click on your profile icon on the top right. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Local Files section, then toggle on the Show Local Files option. Spotify will auto-detect folders like downloads or music library. You can toggle these on or off depending on where your music is stored. Now click Add a Source, then browse and select the folder that contains your MP3 files, then click OK to confirm. In the left-hand menu, click your library, then go to the Local Files section to see and play your imported songs. If you're a premium subscriber and want to play your uploaded music on your phone, make sure your phone and computer are on the same Wi-Fi network, download Spotify on your mobile device, then toggle Download to save them offline for listening. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.